number, but KD ain't playing no defense, Skip. He just out there lunching on the defensive end. And it started I don't know when this started.
Man, that day was kind of hectic. But peace and love, guys. Today we got the Balenciaga Runners, and I'm happy I got these with these multicolored mesh rubber. These are dope, and I'm glad they sent these through. They're a size 44, and we'll talk about sizing here in a second. So shout out to the gifter that sent these through. Again, I do love getting designer sneakers. I'm kind of into designer again, and Balenciaga is usually my choice. I don't really mess with the Gucci or anything like that. And there's another one, McQueen's. McQueen's are also my joints. But today we have these, and this is Balenciaga's most popular sneaker right now on their site. A lot of these were sold out, and they're like $12.50, I think. And that's not $12.50, that's $1,200. This pair was free, but let's go ahead and talk about them more in detail. So I'll go with the obvious cons. As you can see, Balenciaga loves big shoes, and that pair to the left, that's the Defender. I'll probably review that pair next. And this shoe says Euro 43 as a size 10, and this is a US 11, that's a Euro 44. And I still have questions about what is really a 10, a 44, or 43. That one's a 9.5 supposedly, and they fit just like this shoe. Like this runner and that Defender I just showed you, they fit exactly the same. And this shoe is supposed to be a whole full size bigger than the Defender, and they're not. The Defender actually by size is a bigger sneaker as far as the silhouette, but this multicolor, it's kind of hard to say, but in a weird way, some of the positives to the shoe, it's like it's indestructible, and it's kind of nice wearing a shoe that you kind of don't have to think about messing up transitional suede or get these, they're white. It doesn't matter with these, you just kind of wear them. It's almost like a transformer shoe. Like you just go out to battle for your day, and you just put these on. You don't think about them. They take a little adjustment because they're really big. So when you're driving, that's probably the biggest adjustment. Going upstairs, it's a little weird too. But for the most part, them being indestructible, I like that about it. I don't know. Like you guys see, I was in the snow, and this was like the best shoe to wear in that situation. I would be hurt if I was wearing like a suede pair of Travis ones or something like that. So these being like a big scale shoe, multicolored, it has its benefits if you don't want to like show off for the, well, these kind of do show off because these are definitely head turners. Don't get it twisted. People look at these like, yo, what are those? This is comparing a regular Roshi. What is that? Not a Roshi, a Huarache. Yeah, that was really small. It was like a baby shoe almost. That feels like Ortholite. Don't know what it is, but it kind of has a little bit of like a gel feel to it. And that's pretty dope for it not being a gel insole. So the negatives, obviously, the silhouette is huge and bulky. It's not for everybody. The price is huge and bulky. It's not for everybody, including myself. But to get these for a review, yeah, I like them. It's dope getting them for a review because I get to get shoes that I'll probably never get. And that's kind of why I do what I do. Underneath the black light, I don't know if any of these things matter. Like, I don't know if that stuff that's showing up, I don't know if it matters or not. I'll probably never have like a retail pair, but either way, it doesn't matter to me. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like underneath the black light. No stamps. I haven't seen the stamp in a long time. Maybe they stopped that whole stamp thing, but size 44, it fits me perfectly, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. The 43 and the 44, so maybe I picked the best sizing for both of these silhouettes, but both of the shoes, they fit me great. So I'll probably try a 43 in these down the line, but I don't know. We'll have to see. But that's it. Peace, love, and light, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.